So here we have the Seat Ibiza on a 64 plate. So I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. From the outside of the car though, you can see we've got those lovely black alloy wheels. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. That's 74,137. We also have our fuel gauge in that section as well. If we back out over to the centre here, we have the main stereo. So you have the volume for the stereo on the left-hand side. The dial on the right will do things like you can see me doing there, which we're tuning the radio at the moment. When it comes to radio, every push of the radio will give us a different wave band. As you can see, we have FM and AM available to us. If you want to listen to your own music, press this button just here. We have a CD player, as you can see, and auxiliary input. So the CD player is just there, auxiliary input just here, and then the main volume for the stereo here as well. We can turn off our traction control and our hazard warning lights. Beneath that, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set just here, and you can turn them off just as easily as you've turned them on. Beneath that, we have two cup holders and a 12-volt charging socket. Deadlocks, so we can lock the car doors from the outside. We have our heated rear screen just here. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn that system off, and we can set the tyre deflationing warning level up as well from here. We then have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.